Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy, Master TV, eh? Master TV, eh, Daddy? Hello, Daddy. Daddy, Master TV, eh? Master TV, eh, Daddy? Hello, Daddy. Daddy, Master TV, eh?
Yes, so my people, this night here, Dr. Femi Boy YouTube channel. I know, say, don't get anything at all. We say we not see here for this station. Now, I don't say we laugh in any way at all. People will say, yeah, Master TV and everything. What I'm a program and what's a TV or understand. No need to call anybody or whatever. Just listen to this program and everything. Your ribs go tired and everything. That you'll see sleep, or you'll find sleep now. So you just did it. Now, this now that much I will tell that in series we say with the core, now the BTs and this episode so now episode 13 and the. You're sorry me. Now episode 13 be this and what we want on this episode save we never know. Okay, make we just name Daddy Master TV. Now be did. So right now without further ado, make we just jump in because we don't get any delay to delay. But however, make we know say yes, this night here, Dr. Femi Boy YouTube channel. Now know the station now. The station will say they bring on phone now today and then no problem. Make we just jump in right now. As we join, in fact, as we join all people will say we present, you know, I mean, all our presenters and everything. We can know say yes, this thing to just make somebody laugh, not be saying that to remind anything or to renew the wound again or whatsoever. No, and the people say will not feature for this one. We can not worry. Next time we go feature now. So right now, make we just jump in. Actually, jump in. Me, Papa God continue to the bless you.
No saji me. Iwi mwele no ro, imwele no figbon. Iwe gala ukmono fwa gita o erwege no samurwe me o meye fialase ivie done kesi iwe wu no fwa no sajo me mabe wu na we no fofo ani hu ala ota bege imwele no ro imwele no figmo iwe gala ukmono fwa gita o Ime fano sarie me o me ye piala se.
Daddy Master TV, eh? Master TV, eh, Daddy? Hello, Daddy. Daddy Master TV, eh? Master TV, eh, Daddy? Ogwe vobi kina. Osalo boy. Ose ni ana neru dani biere sinyagbe. Ogwe Daddy. Nene edorichi nije dorichi ta edorichi we ogwe bobi kina na imoseme ye do ahiliya sweetheart uni dale owe sununa wokina Master TV na di ni watemata ma we mewe ni watemata ma we menti me watama we na eti awaja we ziyera pa yo ni wa belelewe. You only have a friend to wear daddy. You go no really know me. Ya carry no daddy lao. I make do come get friendly. Daddy lao go accept me lao go. I make do come. No ma be ready to me every time. You don't know what you make we get friendly we walking lao daddy lao.
Who were they committee? Was the committee be a war? Why is the committee? Oh, what you swear? More money, ina swene, Edia swear we take away. It cannot say they cannot run, never on. If you give yourself respect, I give you a little bit respect. But if you give yourself look down, I go look down on you, look down on your papa, look down on your mama, look down on your full generation. Una no well, all of them the sick.
Hello, good question. Where? Okay.
I was your president, the boy, why the boy car boy cut your fire no getting.
Okay.
Never cut me power no get on.
Okay.
The boy car boy, I was your president, and I want to know just. I said, I see that the president to run up that way. He
said, oh, I will never die there.
This is New Year, so why go well New Year, go and throw it to make an arm your day where Bukbona. Yamufua, why reke robalele well like January now. When you wanna go and put it in dustbin. No go me wa mo with or done with baba babana. Baba, ni go me mo bi agmonu.
E ma no gwi metile tode. Okpa de ne na. O ma no gwi metile tode. Ameya we fe tira. O ma no gwi metile tode. Era ime kinorie. O ma no gwi metile tode. Odene. O ma no gwi metile tode. O ma no gwi metile. O ma no gwi metile tode. Almost today. E bribe no ehia. Odene forever no tie no
they talk we shall be if we not get husband, you know they get respect. Which nonsense respect? You never see how many married women they beat any year. If your husband could see beat her. Which nonsense respect? You never see married women when they go to sleep with other men. You don't feel respect and self finish. Can you stop talking like people when they don't even pass primary school? What are you saying? Married women go outside and be sleeping with other men. You call that one married woman? Now what for now? Being responsible is not because somebody is married. A single girl can be dating just one man until the man don't go cheat on her. What are you saying? Shouldn't be married woman. I respect it. Don't say it again.
Una yetie ogion bahin. Do la dia chebo. Era we no isa to boy o jasene ne dota ne dodo biebo o we ogyoba na ewo era we no isa jasene ndemi ya no ewu asene amesene o ye we asenas na jadi koka ariana afiari awe nya ga bo wa gbe azoi so ayi do tama we na ajebo ni o era no zobonu e no penu e no ya we no ma udu ata wa fiema ki we gba be se e centro nu we gbe na fowo e wa ni gbe centro ya pe wa na gbe nu wa we gbe ye ya bawo o we bono o tona no keke no ri aje wa gbe centro we ya ri ani ko wa asena jane izobo bi na so no de aga janwe o ga ara we gbe kian o no ibe ri awe bona wa no ri mo we bona ri a no ri mo we bona ri de ba ku no o ko no we ga wo godo asena jan zobo ni o ga ale le we kian ariana
no ya ka we shemon ijwe no mama ni no gewe igbi age we no do gbigbi age ni nu do kin we do ri egin ni eme yari eba eni shame on your mother ijwe awo magma no awo ma de gman ijwe ni ekwe mu ijwe u ya kin we u yari egijwe no yari eba we do la jon wo ma be ge shame oju e shame o kin agbu e ba gbon agbu eguja emi nu ga ku e kin emi nu ma o mu ja ke we budo o kin we nya gi ha iga poru no sugbo we kadani ade ekagani ni kewe live video agwa for my own life e pa pe live video imeje mo gi o ma de wa wo re no all the video ni ewu ni na eje mo gi orun opa o ni na eti ebono o bi o ma de mede o ma ko won ni meti ebono won ko no hu me live video ya iyen wi di won ni eti eboni je ere bi je meti ebona ogo mono ma ri bi e o ma no gi mono omo ide udojo mo ya gi o o sa lo bo ekin ya ni hena je mo ya gi o ma iyo sa lo bo no nya je mo ya gi o ma if you create a nylon bag ke kama we ama iwo onwa na gbon e yan gi dori e no wa igwa we gbe ìbéèrè on have never done that
ni ka ta mo o sa lo bo ya bless you eni ka una re ale lo gi o ba ya amo gi o ba awa uye ba ni tama we ye do talk show what kunya ti e bright ya tama we le ran mani wedo Mawa. Nonsense ni ya wakom. Una ale no te microphone yiwe wepo. Nori wambele nori e pone ba. Una lele ya eruni anna no na senwe wo. Mata no re wata ma we na because mele lo kuyo ba ya. Betu mana lele ya fe bafe emi ame ngwa we ya la. Obu ngwa we ya la. Edi kaw ha we ya sa we se. O biaga we ya sa we se. O ora we ya sa we se. Since we respect me there now, in mighty we there, even followers we, even fans we. First time, me ya call you una respect me, e respect you. Uji o la we pe o. O give me the family we. O baname o ga we ya sa we se. Me a wo no giro tetoni ya ga we ya sa we se. O mo poke bo mo we. Oga we ya sa we say. O no be la le sagere. Oga we ya sa we say because we respect jomo. No ene na ya mo no mo e. No ene na ya temata no rota bona. Eruna ne na no we na o bia no wo no we no ya ke mi ame no mi ame ala o ti o wa o.
Ise we wa.
Eruna ni be na no na any no ri mwe. Bad comment, you a bad comment or here the dark monkey. Oh, we are wise. Because so panel me only one with a sona and don't hear the way here. Ma, wait to your face, we say in Runanina. Is you know my business?
The Master TV,
the last one are 6 years now. The last one don't reach 6 years. It never reach 6 years, though. Your last one don't reach 6 years now. Then live video, don't dey 6 years now. When we start to do live video now, you don't reach 6 years. Now that time, now you born the pikin. You see, you don't want people to bully you.
Just like she also did to somebody else before. So you see, Amanda. You see?
Do you see the anger in her face now? Do you see the anger in your face? You don't want people to judge your own adultery when you go commit, but you want them to be judging Monica. Oh, did you see how she's angry? Did you see how she's angry? We are going to start this topic now. Not only Monica, they're going to judge with adultery. We will judge you now with adultery. Let our Facebook continue to bully you without your adulterous son. And the man when he give you belly, no, if he toto now, don't bath.
So please, those of you, some of you, Edo women who are so desperate to make sure that Lolo is involved in it.
No, you are involved in it. Even Okpeka will later come meet you. Okpeka will later come meet you. Okpeka talk that year. That time, me with Okpeka, we see they do live video that year. He talk as a come fuck you. Okpeka talk for life. This one won't be say. Because lovely, why you want to bring the matter on now? Because you with Okpeka not a talk. This will not be lie. Okpeka bring her for life. Say you sleep with
amigo.
Una meet una say.
Lawo yati we ba to tell you where Okpoma no de France. Ugbe na ukama ta ma bi Nigeria. Gaveri ho edeni agwe be ladian unwe he akin isani dane isongbon ni ne unwe he akin won ma be ni ege kedo ado ma isani nene kwaye toilet mi na iga inekere sekere ayonisan ido yu unwe he won eri aya we de o ka mo yo pon awe ta ma be ni ye oye do disturb mo gbe na Ipalaho. Me ma say ni we. O ma kan we. We go live video we agwan here. Me ma say ni we. Oye do a chen. So ta ma pon we no de France. Ta ma ya ki onisa. Then ya you when onisa wa mi o mo kan.
I dey always fall bad people hand. Any native daughter, if you win me for case, you know say I not be jore. Ya ja we kin ku dolo ni bi e ka ya gbe 1 2 3 obo 1 obo mege obo no gbiwe obo no mo be tere gbe obo no ri ba Obona ne yowa. Obona kwaligo. Obona ne wina. Abepinya yowa. Iya give me a customer. Abotana na Facebook. Iya ave dori. Aboga. Obona via bolatia. Abani wina. 19cc. I go see the doctor. He do many juju. He bring many coffee. Asa tutu. He go inside bush. He say he want kill people. 1920. He still bring again. He want to threaten people. 19 doctor. 1950.
Make anybody know carry a video again. Only Nigeria Watch. That was what people want to use me to do before. He wanted me to do an open announcement to say no other person, only Nigeria Watch. When I see me do one, no. Not the way I did. Why only you? Why? Why only you? Why only you? Why me that way somebody one live video presenter will come and say I don't want anybody to be carrying my video, only Daniyaji. No! Daniyaji is just minding his business. He just do it thing. Now let Nigeria Watch they do that nonsense. Because he knows how to manage.
Idova obiogwe otuta o ora vevigo o eina bobiogwe o ena se o bo pagbe nu gari o waga mamie mi na mamie wa gbonte o irive tan mu odafen keve tota reve o no dafen rivie o eina bo dafen na wo dafen me be na yarikin odafen me ge no go me. When I wana umao no tiedo no eyobo. When I wana umao no sedo no eyobo. When I wana umao negbe wedo no eyobo. Ehe nagmoje o agbakwagbon no
zero. It's setting yani. I know them very well now. Why did they blame me? Why blame me? You walk in our Jojana like a girl, nana. Do what watching. You are a disgrace to your family. You are a disgrace to all the women. You are a disgrace. But one anyway, just shame on you. You make it go. 4 years go now where anybody no go be a boa. What can you waro? What when you watch your me matter the live video me? Me matter the live video. A bank make a mission through Goa. Even when the pastor me go, mama me over time. I wouldn't know na mission through. A bank make a go again. We go no be ya. Oh, mama remember do I so well built? Say, built na. What be no sorry be? Oh, what you boy? We go no back come.
Good afternoon, ma. Fire down.
Lord, now me stand at the church. You know, to hear my voice. I call Austin. Austin say, one or two they do something. Say you not tell and say you get married. Because you and your husband all they stay together that time. Say you don't know, say you see the husband. I beg, come back. Make come talk this matter way. You hear me? And I don't want to talk too much. You know they talk. Austin say, you don't know, say you get husband house. Yeah, come mama, come talk her well. Now they use us to name. Better come talk well before another to go inside your head. This one I'm saying.
You don't say never. Edimofi, Okio, Etiti Biti, Eya wetin ado ami otiti, but otiti gesu wawe. Ohuwe mi amena dovion we oga so wawe. Ohuwe mi amen. Ezo oga suwawe ezo gberota ezo gbiyoto ezo no ga gbo wa ga gbo de uge mi boya gbababo inwine ro ga mwe wa so ga mwe wa mo e se asioti ko magba isoro ikone do tie yu won ga se wo wa we wa so oga se wo wa we wa fa oga se wo avi e yore ute mo kwado wenu ya sia kotote mo ari ezenu ya asame ni na ne feje nu mama moje no moje no doje no na meje no mane ya ute bo kwanu ya asie koto o kwanu ga gbo ye zeni ute temu po asesa agbon mebe do ya kenya re aje o wanu ko de no onu mo waria no onu mo deria no onu mo seria o ga yun sefa exasio aweti komagba edo ti ko iwo hun ana wetu ga yun sefa emobo omowe no roe do ya fe
enu tota ibanu ke ba ni afinu lele ehia iya we because e mani abe mani nwa ya pita we inya we ga fofua uyo be va gwe na gmonge do zekenjo we una rukmono fua una rilo ehia keneme abe ogoje ukakabo igbagbe no runi na do mi we mo be no hia de ya samoro do ya rukmono fua ni lujoni. We understand them in eternal. So you have to be careful and you have to mind whatever you are saying.
Ana be mieso iya be biomokpa nebo adoya bie ha ne daki. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Emanu we ana be mieso iya me bobogwa iya me daki boy. So egbe ma veri oni emani jojo mani hiya. Ema veri oni ma keke okeke ni matobi ma he. Emo mani ma agunwashi. Wena rigegbe wene, una regbe no bera, u regbe no bije, u rigege ne we, abemi kuwe de regbe me, mwe matere mouve. O ma ve di mofi no woze. O ma ve di mofi no woze. O ma ve di mofi no woze, o ma ikeke ni ya agunwa. O idolevo ite keke ni ya igawu. As far as ye woze ne, e di mofi dolevo ikeke ni ya ite awu no, iwu ne do. O wama, iwoze ne, mobe junume la jan we ilovye kobo konteme. Mobe junume ve kamagmo we, e monobo konteme vyoriani, e gbo e otemo biye ya. Ha? Ama si obo kontweni nya we no do we diene, we ma yene no bo kontwen ya go we, do ya we diene o. Uma yuk bokpa ya ta, uma yuk be vada, e ma ikwe a yene ne video ya gi we ne di mofi. Uwe do ati aba we umategbe iberio anemi no we
mi uta meke na kuga mare uga mare we u promise una mi oigo obi otona obi enika ogo tonedo the rich eruna ni ana nuena ana gele mi we ege na ogele rigo nuwe u promise we uga mare the rich umana mwefe na egwere gbene uga mi ogogo wagi mugbo wagi dwaza arigaza gie uga wugu mareke na efe ga gwewe umana vione no ga nwame umi ogogo idoti ewezo idoti e manikao iyo no buezo na aga gele mi ewe fege na gwewe be no gugu kunu vie fe ne o wa ga gwewe mu wa ene iga ga gwewe mu iga ene umana mune una wenu loge kone kona una wenu rie brabi ya cover ununa nu ya cover ekesina uga tori o wani because e former e boyfriend o mario ebuku e ro mario ebuku o mana ja na orio aso agwa wi e ma ja nu e uga nwa mo wa gwalo emie it can be 2 years it can be 3 years ade egbe keka egbe rame wa ya gwalo emie a o aga roto a mu welele ramiri kian imasa mejunu ta we fasting je na ya neru na nu e aga gele mi we ge na mu igo nu e ogwenu mare yin ona mu igo na mi o igo na hu wa mare una ri engagement igine igo ga gele gwewe or mi o igo na hu wa mare una ri engagement igine igo ga gele gwewe orogwa nu wa egbabo uga nwame aga kawe bapia no matobo tonedo eti dia ni yesige ya meru na nu e aga gele miewe idia yan ijoba yan we owo kan ba oga kan ko na ne omo na no ku na oga kan ko na ne wo we oga kan ko na ne ba van e fore ga gwewe o mana vio na ene egbera we bologo ma no dekun we e fore ga gwewe o mana vio na ene uga towo tonedo ni e accident when any ka ojo we e we mi ame stroke when any ka ojo we e wuke when any ka ojo we but Defeke na gwewe, igoge gwewe. Uga wame tuka tosera me no mo.
Before again, back. I give me a video. Am I coming? I don't know whether now I'm talking about my own observation. I don't feel they follow everything with this social media. If I'm not right, prove me wrong. I not come to see 100% back, the way it be before. You understand? Which maybe she's trying to correct some areas of her personal life. Because social media is very straining and demanding. But after the election, Abat collected and a lot of people came to love and follow him. Because Abat was a soldier on that election.
I'm a bog boy, Orioba, a Judah, I'm a bog boy. At time I were when walking, I would tell you at time. Now you pop on where Ruda Woy da Suna. Pop on Ari and when he managed on the nation, I busy with time where at the winner it was done. Oh, one of it was done. Very near, but for Aguilo here. To make him more. Dear well here. Oh. Where me? Oh, what I do at that? Una orige, a igbe yo wodi you and where you or ye be ye or yawa wamati yo. What do we are not doing? Where yes. Oh, boy, if I look back. Oh, nanu nama, oh, sanu sama, igbovodu boboma, yafefe, or hey, you had been. On your excuse me, I to give in the family where I like Bodelo River, we were told that we are you while you there. You have killed your repertoire in the name of the where I don't more bog boy, Opiala more bog boy, Okole more bog boy, or more bomb more bog boy, or more bog boy, no more about social media.
God bless you. I always say, what I always say. Every normal man talk by your life for Mary. Or say, if anybody say, you might like Jore Yagile Jore Megogo, Migogo, because every time when anybody no disrespect me, no Jekoyamu me, no Rinami, no Ninye, maybe a papa, I want me get you. I normally do that prayer every day.
Give children food now, Allah. Eh, Laleka, don't go there. You hear me? Let's be honest. I know I just said, no, just go there. Don't go there. You be woman of distress. Your stress, not they can rob me. Your stress, not use and rob me, eh? Sometimes my people is good no area may be. If you know they enjoy yourself, what I not good. My house even may love it. A lot area may be. Already all here, obviously, Lord, we drop a good sassy. Obviously, I cannot genius, mammy, we are here, boy, no more wording, no, we veto kiki. Women of distress. When the stress is be wa. Where I said, do mammy make up ya do sally to buy. I will mark more way.
Don't you don't back in the look woman. Will you clap for your brother or your sister? No, but another thing back where I will not know that way. Yeke. But I wish they throw money and let to go what they be a pop on the set. What will be my room? Nanny, don't reach my sister. All they know, eh? Oh, and any other way because I'm a dead.
Wow, we go comment you on block you when we wa mu ready the you ogbon ba agbo e ta me di we dey later wa ga is period there when me aya agbelu we aya mo ga live video ya period with my people with all my team with all the edos e ya period when ya period ni eri aya agbele degbe ya agbe ya agbi isokan ya agbedi ya agbe Edeko, ya agba woke deko, ya agbe payosi, ya agba woke payosi, ya agbe iye payosi, ya agbe re payosi no gune, ya agbe boya, ya agba togo, ya agbe umayeme, ugbe ni kivena. Okay, you make a block cloner so understand? Ugbe ni kivena. Only ugbe me. Oh, wa mi no sunu. E fosa kule. Kole, Moyana, Malaya, the letter dog be you ever not bed the movie boy if you fit and do me your banner, what will tell you. Where? He didn't want to go with Adeno Devena. Eminia, you want me, Rena? A force I call. Wow.
Hello, the social media president.
A new TA.
Yeah. See, this matter when you the judge is very easy.
Okay.
It's just for the person to go to. I don't put EFCC number for your platform there.
Okay.
And then they call them human rights defender in Nigeria. Once you report to them,
yeah.
EFCC and those ones, they will pick them up.
Okay.
And they will try for money laundering for one and so many things.
Okay.
You can go to jail inside.
All right.
It's just that our people not be educated. They are not well educated. Report it to EFCC. I put the number there. You can also Google EFCC in Nigeria, human rights defenders in Nigeria. Those are the things that define.
Okay.
Thank you. Here you so mo bo bekun. Ima la video na nu da we. E ma be we kan. Abi ta no de we no na we na ya gwa lo to ese. Amati e bo no ma pa we wa ni. Mati e bo no e me ma nya de TV ti e bo no e but only here go meta but me ma ro we no de. So you have no right to cut my picture. Tu gwa lo ma no ya we la video a. We de gbe ya we ba de gbe wa gun a. We de gbe gun a. We no record you, isn't it? I was the one who told you to record me. So you playing those voice notes has nothing to do with me. Of course, yes. But yeah, maybe I record it. And the voice note will not do now. But it is a day of grace, you know. Now. It is a day of grace, you know. You got to pay so many now. Nothing in Lao. In Lao. You we different. We be we are waiting a battle and with the best with him. We are we. The mother
Nehi Saka Deka. Yeah, Rimaro. Abati Vio or ye. The tema. Yeah, lay. The tema. Yeah, we. Otonale Wefe. Yeah, they go because Makala from the beginning to allow lately. So can you read it by your choice? Umara Sami, so you go. I watch you just briefly, just hear about it. That way, right from the beginning, because anybody in right to hang on. Anyway, you know, why man when the fuck upon one again? Anyone when lose guard, you go blow the pussy, strip on ABCD. Every day, get another. Any woman, any people was when you're go. Nonsense. So that's their business. Imagine they are doing the right, you know, have not done it. But what I'm saying is that he didn't let me go to people's
he just man. Baba go away, man. Baba go away, man.
Because I see the video where I do say in get belly. I thank God. Now God now get power. Thank God, I just thank God for you. So congratulations. You understand? If anybody, anyone, they celebrate, you follow and celebrate. It may God not let us more. We say follow and more. Say sorry, oh sorry. God forbid that one. We no want more. May God not let person come they tell us say sorry. And we not go tell people say sorry too.
Ni do tell the na. Imu egbe ni agbo da do gekwan. Ya ije me na a. Na ni do gun na. Ijoro mozena. No yorie mi kao. Yoriero. Ido dere mi no bunere ijoro pa mawe mi no gau. Ido mi aro tu no ga atawe. Eyi ma kegbo bare. Eyi ma pe na ga ma dare ijore.
Imo esinyo juga. We mi egule. We to bu e wori abi. Na na wa bera wa bi yo adi mo fi. Ogun gbi yo e. Ni yo ele mi wiwa. Nu wa. Na wa bo a. Ogun gbo yegbo. Nu zara. Nu fi obo ipo pon gbale mi are no yewe. E ti lenu e. But imani de imao na wo yon ba hen do anot have phone ya. Me do send in my precious family. He do send in ya tutake a family yon ba ado ano. Wo ya sunu e. Imani de video. Imani de video. Imani de o se natawe keke no na ri bebo me. Mi aga ye level.
Adane bosie mere danu waya o. Adane bosie me o danu waya o. Adane bosie mere danu waya o. Adane bosie me o danu waya o. Adane bosie mere danu waya o. Dane bosie mere danu waya o. Dane bosie mere danu waya o. Adane bosie mere danu waya o. Dane bosie mere danu waya o. Dane bosie mere danu waya o. Dane bosie mere danu waya. Adane bosie mere.
Mo ya fe no ri sweat no ri tie Wigland. Mo no mo like your a platform o no gbe a good comment your iga ila o. Ido mo picture wala dia yi ne ra yi ni yo yi bi me na gbe we aka e. Wa onu wa re o ya re o wa comment yo. E comment when you wa tag e I will session e. Oh. Ogwe fo wo tag mo na. He o, ogwe fo ne ve na. We mi even the agbegu e ve na ne mode. Thank God the way France holiday yan je France. E imagine me France yo. E di bo fi. Elle était basée au Igbo à la il vienne ici. Et d'accord. Ou même il y a ouais ben. Ouais.
If I did not know if you quite finish that a very day for your brokers, I go minor and that pause will make you know the thick way. That a cancer will catch you for your brokers. Because if cancer don't catch you for your brokers, you don't go to talk like rubbish on the street of Italy. Aerospace will not do me well, man. And I need you to come outside, come face me because you are a very stupid man. You are a very stupid man. I don't talk and say, I don't go back to my vomit. I talk and say, anytime I see your video, I will come outside and insult you. Since you don't get sense. If anybody know that man, where they stay for Italy, I won't really know what it. I won't see how he was rich. When make am dey feel say, now he go catch person wish for a salon. If you get things for a salon, what do you do for another man country? What are you doing for Italy? Erosion do me well, man. Erosion do me well. See black leaves. See old man when see they smoke igbo, you go even they laugh another person say they smoke. You know they see your mouth. You know they see your mouth. Ogogoro do me well. You go enter aerospace, go pack vinoc, they drink. Come street, begin they insult person where go fit born am. Begin they insult him mama age mate. Stupid old people get sense.
Emi orere, igaga, oga lega. O ma gbe bata the last year o we kekan ezobo ya hin ezobo gbe bata ba ma bere for one ezobo kin wa ma bi bere go jiri zobo hin be no wa me fi sebe do gba me ken ezobo na lodo mi opa we ma bere no ji e yin wa son no we a bleaching yo ho one man is a bleaching na na mi go ya mete no do aba ezobo ma mi go ya mete ne gbe wa gbe no ri ji e ya amugbo obiro nu gbo kin e na ya fi e ga ri gwe e boy obo pari di agwawe okay iya ri de o sa pika nu ya mu gbo obo pari de do la o e bi do ba nu.
What is wrong with some of you? I know I don't owe anybody explanation to how I choose to live. But sometimes some of you your brain needs to be reset. So a girl cannot just go out by herself. Are you people mad? At this level that God has blessed me to an extent, I can't book a flight ticket and pay in a hotel in Abuja to relax. Una they mad? You see why I keep insulting some of these stupid people? Not you guys, my real fans. Those haters. I do most of my videos for them to see because I know they watch it. Yes, they do. They watch it. Are you people mad? Me, they can conveniently give somebody 200K, 100K, 50K, dash. Are you people mad? At this stage, I don't feel okay. I want to go Dubai, go rest. Now, so I go Dubai for my birthday, 2019. People won't die. Una they mad? Are you the one working my money for me? Una they crazy? What is wrong with some of you? You people are senseless. I hate to actually come out to insult people. I don't like it. I don't enjoy it. But some of you just deserve to be insulted.
Now, we want to be more aware. Edi, when information so Canadian where you get it being a man where Ovian beer. Because we get over contour, pian, we get it, we call you get every year. But that one is not the topic now.
We don't see Danny Yaji. We don't see Danny Yaji. Why me Danny Yaji? That man is minding his business. You will never see anybody say, the only, stop carrying my video, stop carrying my video. The only person that must carry my video is Danny Yaji. No! But we don't see anybody say, stop carrying my video, stop carrying my video. The only person that will carry my video, Naija Wash, underground politics, or to bring Danny Yaji down. Danny Yaji, they lame. He's not playing useless underground politics. Everywhere, everything. Daddy, see, let me down, sir. Daddy, see the dirty. What here? See the toe. Daddy, see the toe. See the toe. Where we did you wear? See the toe. But I will see the talking. See the toe. No, with our house of Azebi Mabugia. See the toe. Tiobi, you are. You say fire. You while you are poor. Oh, I want to be here. You would want to agbe. You agbe while you are poor. If you be agbe while you are poor. If you be a here. Oh, even a my. Yeah, tipo fik you even a my. Oh, I can't buy why you move your tongue every time we boy. I will bury again. Because they don't have worries, okay, I am there. Oh, lay a go like a copirikia or well or dog. Oh, we worry a lot here. Is it a taboo women that go?
We are with baby, and we worry. Thank God, if a man don't go, I donate you. Me, I go donate you. I bear a well, worry, going like an academy. I dare, worry a lot and a bigger however. I could you maneuver making now. Ah, a baby, you need soon. Where do I let the door papa? Inya patabe mana. Isile wa mo imono do ni se sile kwa na kedeni adina. Ari go no beri onu we kwari ya watu tanya yan we ya hu do agbe yo gbere. What say gbe beri what cause that? Oni eshentro. Oni eshentro I get any oni eshentro. Igo ni ahun ame kokonu go na we foundation no ga wu. Igo ni awe kono ya wo ebu ehu abi ya we soka we ma ni awe ni aje ni go ya we ne mi be din ya de ki ma we no di ma ya ma listen say you ga abi obegun wene. Igo ni awe donate nene a foundation amagi mi ya we un so we ba ni u collect go ya so uriya yepo to tanya iya we the ticket no enu ja anwa mo iya we the ticket no enu ja kan we dere nene go wa ki robe nene social media wa ki ja wu why mo no na wa va hu why mo no pare wa va gwa why mo no pare wa nya kan oni san wa Unuwa eme no kunuwa re.
Izobo. Isekure. Wa wi no pa wa. Ogiamie. De ba wa en no pa nia. Wa on mo fiuji. Eni awa mo ebo. E wa de yin awa because Ologun wa ni aso bo me. O wa so bo mu ya. Ade na afia de awe. E fi we de. Esfi we so why chowa we ogun ba edomana giwa wa ma ho edomana giwa why chowa ogun ba to da we ekwega mu wa gbon so wa do bege me we ariye me digwe ayi leru me nu wa so do yo wa so ga yo kwa be osege ni wa so ga yo wa so mu gbere wa mu gbebeke wa ama ge okpera wa gele wa oye gwa wa no oye gwa hin ibizu gbogbo e disturb me we okana we do no ke talo ya segbe eni no pa useni no pa benu jojo magbere ba makie ba de na we na e boka na me mugu me ma ni be awu abati o makie won de no ikina we wo gwe o salopo ame we wo gwe era no mi go gwe won o ke gwe wo gwe kia ama wonu ge wo gwe Oko abie frosi ma igwa de frosi ma gwa gberegbe ari e wonu kere sabu amela my
platform to grow Naija Watch. That's why he cannot engage me. He can only hide behind some illiterates, people that he can recruit to fight me. Elvis, come out. Now you be the engine room of all this crisis on social media. I've said it countless times because you're making money from it. Come out and engage me. Why?
That stupid man they stay, that drunker. Now Italy they stay. Oh, Vino 1 euro for aerospace do me well. They talk for street like madman. They go up and down. That is what you know. You say you be a man we're supposed to stop saga. Now they even saga. You get time. That's all time full your hand. You get time to go to find person mama house. Say you don't go set satellite for your mama house. Say you now all cash and wish. And you think say now all some people will support you. Real some people. Not be all those I don't even know the adjective. All those Igbira share join those states where they claim Esa. Not be all this. If you be real Esa man, you know go they beat your brother come inside. You go carry and enter inside.
Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mommy. Maria,
Isa. Oh, Sawesi.
Happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Grandma,
I will continue to follow you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Who go respect you, married or not married? Who no one respect you? Go say, yeah, we are children for whatever, but for where by. Hello. Okay, why I no get married? I no fair. I know they okay. Even if I marry man when no get work, I will feel live well because me I get work. I they okay. But is that what I want? That's not what I want. I want to leave a good legacy. I want to live a life that my children will be so proud of me. Una go to it go choke una. People will be shocked the way I will live my life in this life. How see they do my normal life video? Now they see everything now. You said no see my husband, una no see my children. No, una fit see my children, sha. But my husband, I no go see him. I no go marry person husband. No. If I want marry person husband, I don't get children. You know what I'm saying? Just person husband or a multi-millionaire. I don't want it.
I'm an entertainer. Other setting my way for them. Or what the best setting my back. Yeah, deal with it well. Because I go yes, I quick. Every now why won't you give away? And why I will be by all social media.
I am a one who do was on here, Katie. Who open the video was on here. To a car or can measure. As in we got a car. Well, with a family mogaka. Well, got your little car. Where Maddy Mogaka? Emiamu do here dig boy where wag bell or walk back where who were here fear who was you wabby a wavy ya more bogboa okay I saw the two everywhere ya is a more bogboa egg be a why we just upona ukwe problem ukwe trouble ukwe destiny taker any are your destiny wakarish hey the destiny wakarish. You take her anyhow. Ogun hian gbe destiny wa ya fe. Wa American wa deji. Okpa ka we na gan no ma bia mo se no weje gbe. E video no we ya tie jiwe no de. When we are here, the whole world was watching you because they know say now you be the problem of this social media. Now you be that head of problem. No worry problem social media. No more social media way. Nene destiny amwinya way. Oh mwinya way. Oh that we do like this. Do like this. You know say na me they call Nana. Na me first call you. The first time. Na me first call you Isha. Okpeka me wonu tell. Na me first call you. Oh woga ye ni we had your work and we first person not here. Then ya learning in social media. What here? It was ya here saga. What ya here problem. Okpeka me would do here to buwavena. O wamana wuvena wa me no wood. E me would do or here to buwa. E me would do. Oh, buwavena.
Wait do ya say le baba ya be say ni eruna ni na. Je no ma be say yo. Boni be say yo. Ye zoro no ekpe. Beli na yan jenu we. Le no so atenata o ka ki we respect e dibuti o e tawe o na ma se no ko me ko e woni o abati we eminu na we na deliver because eruna ni nanu no kan le we yan e ken wa ba nu go kin pa mo bo eruna ni nanu na o yin dan nu
Osagun lo yo ba bobo awa. Ise no ni le lo yo ba bobo ya ri ajo ewo o ewu na fi ye pe me bolo ni kai ma le lo yo ba mu obo be ni si o sere do na eruna o yo gogo me belu su ane na kede na pa na emi no ma ya mie ki me komo ka me ke o eziogede na mu ni me ari ni ara ya du ko dan eni ka o ya du e wa return again
eziogede ti gbomo no to tene ene do no ma because eziogede are aze na du iko eziogede are aze na du iko but o ma no gi muwe ene do no ma
you apa bobo egwe ukomo gbo o we kwaligo ne wa kwaligo uta uneru ni afie ba Rana we do asili because when we was we wunye bela ko monazi zobo ya danene ekena eni ni kele la geru gbege keleje
ogbe ino ko ino no itie bo me no ya tie bo me platform wa tie wa ge oja we be no bu wa de wa tie wa bunyari wa yege
we are tie no mambo we na ya tie no mambo okay, when I walk, where my bog my that. That one a way. Ha,
okay. Oh, Salabano, you went here. Oh, they got with him and he came. Who got Georgie Kumego? Oh, Sagbe, oh, Sagbe, I didn't make Mabel no yak Baba Viomene.
I'm asking you guys, is marriage the ultimate? No, let's be frank and sincere. Do you guys actually think if I want to marry now, I don't marry. Some of unana mukusha. Listen. If you don't learn from people's mistake while you are still alive, people will learn from yours while you are dead. Some people are dying in silence in their so-called marriages. Some are not even enjoying their marriages. We know them. They are just there as a title. I am married. You are married, so what? Now your husband you married, darling. I'm a Mrs. Who you help? Mrs. So, Alora.
We manage unari agbon wa kiso kan wa we a bus driver ko to lele o gbe uje bukiani. Now we wa wonu wa be ria mo awo we bu. Edi when information se kala dia we iwe we yan get egbian. Ege gaje berio. Ege gaje berio gaje berio. Oma we ovie nyanye bie. Because we get over contour. Pian. We get it, we call you get it.
Wagunwa. And it's your bado, mine at your gamba. You want to go about when it come wa, a dog when it come wa. I want to go about what damn yo. Isobo.
Awe bonu wakaju 15419. He blame the girl. He be blame we. Wa Ivano. Ana gele we na tai. E love ga gele ga ro. O bi anogi ranu tai no ri eni gijoma bo. Ati egbo pa ne. Akewo pa ri ne. O mate sopo na we gbe mi ko. O mate sopo na fi egbe 419. Aga gele mi o we ge na zigo nu e do rich. Wa dame yo me. Eruna ni anla nu na egu we kwekwa because amenu wo every day yayana umenu yari ebae yayana nu eti weni kawo eti won ba ya ni ewu ni epa bagbon eke aya neru na nu because awa iti egbo bi o moto ne awe gbe mi ko again na o mata lo mame we o mata lo mame ma enunu wa iva beteru we ya na ye kesina ile o sebe di owe ope enu wa kesilegbe lele ramiri amami otoe because a level where ujigo ya seto iya so papa u setting bribe den oye gbe if you want do e mota no ka we ki oba u setting bribe idia ijoba na do u setting jigo ya bribe adu be ti be jigo bribe me aga gele mi oguta meke na ku ga mare uga mare we u promise una mio igo obi otona obi ni ka ogo tonedo dorish eruna ni ananu ena ana gele mio we again na ogele rigo nuwe u promise we uga mare dorish umana mwefe na were gbe ne uga mio gogo
igwanyo enwa awa atade gwa gbe because yen goro me gbe ye de gwanyo ibiere nugwe totanya ohun nugwe mie igo ni shetro dihin nya gi ohun we nu ami ego udala dia bege ni wa imagwe nu gwari igo gunme why do give a testimony we imagwe nu gwado igo gunme o a testimony we nu wa give eri oya sun ni na gele awo ni na do give a testimony ki na saladia wo hian yana we machine gun wuya we better wuya yana do give a testimony oike ba pa yan we na do azigisa. What is the meaning of igisa ni anzenu kweni? Tell me true. They know the meaning of igisa. Give away. Translate isa give away. So when you win and be me from morning to normal getting do yawe video nana. From morning to night you win na to from morning to night ya win na. Yeah, when the when you go need do yawe give away just like that or not to target you what.
Any guys any are you
no call any presenter no call them before we are watching. I go on banner. Ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́jọ́ wà yìí ẹnu màná mi ọyọ́ wí ẹ̀dùn náà ó gbọ́n banner ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ láìdó ọ̀làìdó àṣì àríẹ̀gọ́ à.
Èrè ọ̀wà náà rúdà ẹ̀rùdà anákùzọ́bọ̀ mẹ́gbẹ́ ẹ̀rùdà anákùzọ́bọ̀ mẹ́gbẹ́.
We are watching them.
Where see?
Me double your boy said do day when only €100 me. He made down with it. Ni ala we bona. Any of you do no any €100 me ne do sayo monu. But if you do a meti tie where he already €500 jani yane. He already $4,000 yane. Yes, of you do a meti tie where he already €4,000 he jai no money. €1,000 he jai no money. But me of you do what's here? I pity we ane. I ma yare do also. What's here? We mana be o every ogeti ma yare do also. I ma yare do also. So we me yare do also ni. Okay, can you ma consider ni be? Aso imagine when anwe. Wo no very go. Is that not a cause? O be azeno ko. Ebo ga be zeme o boke kanya ya zeme. Iga ome bo o boke kanya o. O bia no bia o keke no wese no ko. Ikbia ni masik bia iko wese na. Iko bogwana. Iko munya hu. Erima. No keke no mo ko.
I want my ekpe ya wa na. Even na doing weru walai di permanent bon or too much be. So oga forget ma have forgive ruda we edo ka se yo na. Omana forget ona ya mu eye mi ta.
Ni majegbe o. Eso karega wajegbe. Wagi mage wi ya to no go me. Eso karega wajegbe.
If you said the they are not creating their content. They are just carrying people's content. And the Murphy versus this one versus this one, Abba versus this one. Step up your game. Stop all this thing you're doing. Step up. Invest money in content. Go to Lagos, look at Brother Shaggy. Look at Nosares. Look at Edo people doing big things. You're in Lagos there. Invest money in content. Stop all this set people up. Hey, Abba just mentioned you today. You need to respond. That's what you were doing with me and Dion. That's what you were doing with me and Dion. We are setting him up. Me and Yeko Utere will hang out. And Dion will say, hang out. You were using us to make money, but it's difficult for you to make money now. Everybody pays time.
Or pen robber. Or we robber na robber. Whether paper robber or pen robber, we robber na robber. That time. We robber na robber. Whether you use paper take rob, you use pen take rob for your office, or na gun you take go rob, na knife you take go rob. Robber na robber, na arm robber. Whether anything when you carry take rob na robber. When I say shentro, the shentro one at the top, not be people where not they work, where depend on somebody, particularly women, not be them be shentro. When they call this man not they work, oh, it just depend on it just not shentro, it just they do one some women shentro or one woman shentro. Not be that one be shentro.
Pastor ye way. I'm a woman keka. If not so, when me am na, when me yana boya. Ami amoe, bera ikua na dekuya. Iya wa dekuya, o wa digwe. Ijugwe ni amatigwe neria. Ijugwe ni amatigwe ni chia. Iya wa bigwere. E padama. Daddy call. Daddy me we wa jene. Iyo ni ja we ziera. Erinya ya lele o. Iya iswe ja ziera ne. Odo awe. Say 2 days. Daddy, it take one almost 20,000. Imeni ni aya o. Way. Imeni ni aya o. 20,000 wa gwe me wo wa. When you go ekwana because ya ene we ya nija omigo. 20,000 wa gwe me wo wa. Juju no be juju. Our guest to mumu. Me could not talk. No one of later. If you the talker, you mean say you be darkness, you might be. Or do we ma anybody no targeted bossima luebonia. Oh, okay, no. Okay, can get simana mumu. Moruwe buya. Moruwe buya na. Moro we buya mo enya. I know them very well. Here lwebo, e gesima gulelian, e gesima popian, ugneso 2 o'clock. Eso watiyan. Hello. Daddy, Master TV,
the reason we don't have shame on you faithfully. Oh, faithfully anyway. Oh, we're not getting you yare Facebook, yare YouTube, wemeka. Wa gwe pijao. Emi no ma uga bue, no mau, emi no ma uga bue, no wa mudiake working when yengi ha. Iwi nere o kia bue be dagmonwe. Udoji we ya vi ebi no kuru because imakporu no sigbe we. Imaje mo giede. Iya gwe onwa gare ogogo ube gwe gogo o na asabo iwe njata iwe tena we o sabo na gi maro propagari baba o we wa we gbe sorry ube gwe we gbe yes ni ba bola wa gbe ba gbon wa na swa eje mi dan iwa la jan do advice e we na ko gbunu eje gbe iwa la jan do advice e we gbunu eje gbe Nega we no ka wa we no ka to mi ono bu o de be ke ni e ge fi okin pa no kin be na po na e na e we to mi ono ga bu o de we ge ube ni na ge de ye we ni na ge ka we ni na a we to mi ono bu o de si be ke ni e ge de ye no deji e ge fi okin pa no kin be de na no na ki vie na no na te ja wan si di be de ja wan e bleach wa re ba ni wa ni swae Iba bola wa gbe ba gbon wa mi ma de fiere wa apo bojo ino dejo o ga ki dejo no wa na no we ka
bisu to be china bisu gbe egbon ya we ki onisa ye gbagban na we ri be ni e nwu age we chalo wa ke pe a de o ke chalo be nu yeje o makin pa makin mi go makin mi lopa de ni ari e picture we la de na ya ki onisa de e ti me bisu gbe e ti me won wa ni se ni we o se na ru la ti me na ni se ni we mi wana ima oni se ni we but yan han ni ka na we ya we ki onisa ira amigo be ni egwegwa na e voice wo no la ni amekira alelewe yan e la wa gun voice we la o we wa ewe be nu wa talo nu wa mi 5 ni mi 10 ni edukan wa mi kian ma ade boy ya abiodun because imam ni o we wugbina o ma edo era ma edo ijo ma edo e mo no kisko we ma edo ya ma egwa ima mi odo pa na nu we ti we okay obi egwa ara mi we bi we ari la jana wo bi egwa we era ma egwa jo ma egwa me no egwa egwa me na mu ri ya yo bo we bu ma
wa testimony time.
Come on, I am so happy for you.
Oh,
God. Congratulations.
West.
Hey, Saloba, God is faithful. He's a faithful God.
I mean, your
I'm going to be strength in there because it can be my prayer for God put the devil to shame. Yeah, we might be on the roof, or apple, or my theory. No man any day. God, I give you all the glory. I'm so happy for you, man.
West.
Mukabe jebe the first one. Eriwe reuna do accuse ave shift no bon. O ave shift na me no mati e bona no ma gbe yen ohun. O were gbe mi obe ni ha o de kun obe were gbe de kun what you done or you do celebrate, and you will continue to celebrate your deaths on this social media of 18 and doing it also. You will continue to celebrate your deaths unless because through that way no tama we no information ma we no toge ma we e ma believe o mo na gbon yan hin e believe ye mi yan hin di yan mi o do mo na gbon yan hin okeke we emi nu we you nu eta owu ga segwe owu wa to bo we yo egegi se ma yo nu ya we e ma no gbu e ogu were e follower we gbu da
ama wo ma na gbo meno wa murume no henu no we no la no sin you say me atie bana no mejobo e na o awujobo no ma that one ma de e mo no enegbe akawo to edo governor no ga so baseki ona awujobo mere ya mi abati na ga eyo mo bo imasugu imagui imagbina
politics re e campaign na do re ina we ya be net mese ina ko bokugbe ni we ya mudani governor me no make na we go manati o ma be Nigeria do we gudogun ye we campaign ona be se wa kokoko wa be net mese so kwapa no ina mo e na mo ve ma bati gege kini do abati we no gba no eni mo gbese eni lugo se abati mage e ti mi ni la do pe do pa weta na ye ni godun ya sojeje we ni me I ma ve gbe na ina ze gbe e palliative ire awo gba so awo ko so e wa abati ka ere va wo kun reva ona so no me ina gwegun ona la de ona temi kita ena wa mo ko no re yo wa o e kita runda ebe ni me ijomo eri ko ni eri yo wa ijomo o pa no ri ogo ni je no ri ogo no ko no ri yo wa re go ni ti o ni ku e pa mi si kan pa mi e wo ko we eri o veje o we va ka ve e ka voma o ga gera bi jo so ma e ka tagbara gbuje wo rudana ni a abati na do ya me ya kun ho ri o ki ata bidagbo bewo ya re owo agbo na to one of my gbe no ri oge yo my gbe social media na o wi mene no go my yo my Gladys amadanya gbo no yo pele no bi jo na ho na bia wa de so wa do o wi mo wo ka o no we owo ma ma
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.